So for the next slide, we're going to talk about saturation. And saturation is the vividness, the intensity, and also the purity of color. So we want our gemstones to be vibrant, to have this amazing color jumping out at you, calling out to you. There are plenty of gems in the world that are either, well, when we say desaturated, what that means is that the amount of color is just not there. It's weaker or it's diluted, or it could be possibly modified by either brown or gray. Now, if you know a color wheel and if you know a little bit of color theory, on one side of the color wheel, we have the warm colors, and on the other side, we have the cool colors. And very typically, the warm colors tend to desaturate to a brown, and the cool colors tend to desaturate to a gray. And this is happening with many, many gems. So you can see that they've got a little bit of color, but there's a lot of grayish there, or there's a lot of brownish. Those tend to be desaturated. So we want to stay away from brown, away from gray, and we want to be able to see pure color and vibrant color. And that is the key to saturation. And saturation is ever so important, and it's something that you really want to take a look at in your gems.